Hey guys, this is our ABC Writing Tablet, page 51 and 52. Today we're going to be talking about the letter D. We're going to be writing it. All right, your capital D is going to go from the upstairs to the downstairs. So it's a pull down with a big belly. All right, and your lowercase d is going to stay under the dotted line, and it's in the downstairs. It's going to be a ball with a pull down. I like to say that the lowercase d has a little diaper in the back. My friends always giggle. All right, so your uppercase D is a pull down with a big hump and then a little diaper with a pull down. Daddy D has a big belly. Baby D has a little diaper. All right, let's write our O's. The lowercase o is just a circle stroke under the dotted line. All right, trace the letters you hear in Dan's dog. D, d. Capital D is a pull down with a big daddy belly. Lowercase d is a baby D with a diaper and a pull down. D, a, da, d, e, de, d, I, d, d, a, da, d, da. Over on the back, we're going to write the lowercase g. The lowercase g is going to be in the downstairs. It's going to be a circle stroke with a pull down and a monkey tail. Circle stroke, pull down and a monkey tail, and it's going to hang in the basement. Your monkey tail's in the basement. Circle stroke with a monkey tail. Circle stroke with a monkey tail. Circle stroke with a monkey tail. Good job. Your capital G is going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. You make a big C, keep going, and then pull back across the dotted line. Big C, pull back across the dotted line. Big C, pull back across the dotted line. Big C, and then pull back across the dotted line. Good. All right. Circle the pictures that begin with the g sound. Table. Table. We're not going to circle that one. Goose. Goose. Yes. Cap. Cap. No. Glasses. Glasses. Yes. Green. Green. Yes. Gum. Gum. Yes. All right, friends.